Welcome back to the ArborScope demonstration channel. This is a quick tutorial on the mobile optimized layout of ArborScope.com. Starting at the top, you'll notice the hamburger menu. When we click on that, our toolbar is going to appear. We can close that out. We also have the ability to toggle on and off our map and satellite. We have the ability to use our GPS by turning this on and off. We have the ability to use our filter options by clicking our filter option button. We have the ability to pan up and down using our fingers. You can notice that you use 2 fingers to zoom in. You also have your zoom buttons on the screen itself. We still have the ability to filter legends on and off by clicking. We have the ability to still do our interactive legends. And as we scroll down, you're going to notice that our information's still here. We still have the ability to view all of our tutorial videos. What you are going to notice is that when you go up to the hamburger menu at the top, you have limited options. Because of the limited screen size, you don't have the ability to view and export all of the reporting options. What you still have the ability to do is modify your tree records. So we can come in here to our Manage Tree features. We can still add trees. We can use our multiple tree editor, just like on our desktop version. We can go back to our map view page through the toolbar. We can still come down here and click on trees and view their details pages. We can click on the more details. It's going to open up a new window. And you can see all of your information is still able to be viewed and edited. We can come into our tree details. We can still add images. We can click on the plus for images. Come in here and add. We can come to choose file, and that will open up our mobile device camera, take a photo, and we can directly upload it. Let's go back to the map view page. From our hamburger menu, we click on the map view, and there you go. This is a quick tutorial on how to navigate through the mobile optimized version of ArborScope.com.